for visiting Yaya Gifts. Hello there. Today we're gonna make a cute Valentine's chocolate box. This is the one that I made previously, and it has a catchy phrase on it. And let's open it. Let's pull this twine off and see what's inside. And we slowly open it, and voila! That's our Milky Way bar. Anyway, so this is a really nice, easy project that you can make and give it to a friend or whoever you want to. Let's clean up and let me show you all the what we're going to need. Just that, 2 pieces of cardstock. So one is 5 and a half inches, and the other one is 3 by 6 inches. Let's begin with it. So first, what we're going to do, we're on the longest side, we're going to do 2 scoring lines. The first one at 1 inch and the second at 2 inches. So my apologies, I didn't set my camera properly, but actually there I'm scoring at 1 and now I'm going to score it at 2. Okay, so 1 and 2 inches scoring lines. Okay, so after we're done with that, we're going to turn it and we're going to score another line on 3/4 of an inch at each end of that piece of cardstock. Okay, so 3/4 on one end, turn it, and another 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. I hope you can see the lines there. Okay, now let's go for the cover piece. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 2 scoring lines. On the longest side, we're going to put the first line on 2 and 1/4 of an inch, and our second scoring line is going to go at 3 and 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so that's how it's going to go. So it's going to be an inch between the 2 scoring lines. Let's fold it and let's see it. Okay, it's, you see, that's all we need to do. That's the hardest part. Okay, so here we go. So now, before we do the foldings in our box piece, we're going to cut 2 lines at each end. So on the scoring lines that are across, we're going to cut the two scoring lines there up to the next scoring line. Okay, so we don't go any farther than the 3/4 of the scoring line. Okay, so now we have all the pieces we need. So we're going to give a good folding also on those areas. Those are going to be the flaps. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the middle part in the bottom, and then we're going to put the other 2 folded on top of the middle one, and we're going to glue them. So that's going to give the shape of the box. We're going to do that on both sides. Okay, the middle first and then the other 2 pieces on top of the middle one. Okay, so let's be sure that it's very glued, that there are not leftovers adhesive on the sides, and done. Now we're going to glue this box part on the cover part, and we're going to place it on top. Okay, let me add some glue to this one so I can put it on. And you can use any glue you want. I like to use my liquid glue, so I can, if I put it on the wrong place, I can move it a little bit. But you can use any kind of glue you like, your preference. Okay, it's your preference. So let me put it on, and I will turn it a little bit so I can give a little squeeze inside to be sure that it's completely glued on the cover part. Okay, and also I'm leaving a little border of 1/4 of an inch on each side on the bottom. Look at that. Okay, and now we have it ready. Look at this. Okay, so now let's see it on the sides. Look at that. It's looks like a wallet. Anyway, so now let's decorate it. So I did these 2 pieces to put on the box. It doesn't matter if they are taller than the lid. It looks really cute, I think. Anything you want to put on, it's great. Now you have two options to finish this. One is to put a twine like I did here, or a ribbon to tie the box closed, or you can use glue, oh, not glue dots, but Velcro dots. They already have adhesive on. So what we're going to do, we're going to place it in the middle of the inner part, or not the inner part, but on top of the box part. There we go, in the middle. Then we're gonna remove the protective, the adhesive protective, and then we're gonna just close it and give it a little squeeze so we know that the two pieces are really well stuck on the cardstock. Okay, so now let's open it. And it's giving me a little hard time, but let's do that. Open, open, open. There we go. So now we're gonna put our candy bar, and all done. And that's it. It's so easy. As I said, you can give it to anybody you want, decorate any way you want it. And that was our project for Valentine's. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to find us in Facebook. You can find us as Yaya Gifts 1 and give us a like. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see our newest videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.